Hello, in this video we're going to take a look on how to make a website, and we're going to cover some basic CSS rules that everyone should know, especially when it comes to website design and programming. Or maybe you want to convert a Photoshop file into a .html file. This is where it all starts. Firstly, I would like to apologize for my screen resolution, but the quality will be still full and you can still see what it is that I'm typing down. Alright, let's start by inserting a doc type, HTML. I always get that wrong. And that tells people that, tells the website that, let's say HTML5, which you want. Insert some HTML tags, insert a head tag, insert a body tag, press tab to indent the head and the body. I only do that so we have clean code. Alright, so now that we've done that, insert a title. And what this means is that when you load the page in Google Chrome or in any browser, it's telling it the name. So I'm just going to call it home. And we're going to start off with simple page styling, which is your CSS tags. So you insert style, like so. There are two things that you have to be aware of when you're doing CSS, and that's classes and IDs. Class means classification, and ID stands for identification. How to use these? Well, you insert either a div, and you can do ID equals, or maybe you want to do class, and do class equals. Or maybe you want to use a paragraph. Well, you can still use the ID, and you can still use the class. Alright, but for this tutorial, we're going to go over ID. Actually, I'm going to insert a div in there as well. Make that a class. Alright, so now that we've done that, we're just going to insert some text. A simple hello world functionality. And then I'm going to insert created by Robert Hilton. So for the ID, we've got to insert a name, and we're going to call this hello. You can put whatever you want in the ID. And for class, I'm going to put Robert. And yet again, you can put whatever you prefer putting in the class or an ID. So firstly, we're going to style the ID, which is hello. And as you can see, I'm using what's called a pound symbol. So notice how I've got the pound. That pound means ID. And just like so, we're going to insert a width, 300 pixels. Height is going to be auto, which means it's going to be set to auto. And we're going to insert a background color of dark blue. As you can see, I'm just using like normal English at the moment. But what if you want to change the font colors? Well, type down font-color, go to pound, FFF, and and that's displaying the font color. As you can see, we've inserted the width and the height, but the height is been inserted as auto. So we do padding dash top 10 pixels, padding dash bottom 10 pixels, and that means you've got 10 pixel cushion above the text and below the text. It's not a margin, that's different. Another thing we're going to do is change the position to absolute, meaning that's going wherever it is on the page, it's absolutely in that exact position. And we want to float these to the left, and we float it, and that means we can float that to the left, and we can float something else onto the right, or maybe below it or on top of it. And we're going to add some border radius, meaning it's got some curve. So we do border dash top dash left radius, and I'm just going to do 10 pixels, and we do border dash bottom dash left 10 pixels, well, just like so. Alright, so now we've styled the index.html page. Excuse me. We are going to go into Google Chrome, refresh the page, and as you can see, we've styled it. And why isn't color working for my font? Oh yeah, that's right, it's not font dash color, it's just color on its own. And a padding dash right 10 pixels, sorry, left, can't even type properly, left. Refresh the page, and there you go. And I'm just going to go to my Sublime text. That's what I'm using Sublime text. I forgot to put in radius for the border. Oh well. Like, you get the point. So you do border dash top dash radius, and you do border dash bottom dash left radius, and it's 10 pixels, and it works. Okay, so now we've done styling for the hello paragraph, we're going to do some styling for Robert. And instead of using a pound symbol, we're using a dot. So we started off as how we started before. Width 300 pixels. Height auto. Background dash color dark green. So, and color FFF again. So let's see how that turns out. There you go. And now we do padding top 10 pixels, padding dash bottom 10 10 pixels, padding dash left, what the hell, sorry, padding dash left 10 pixels. Now that we've done that, we're going to change the position to absolute, and we're going to float these to the left and see what happens. And as you can see, this has gone on top of the other div, because we did a position absolute left. Now we change that to right. Let's see what happens. Nothing. But you get the point I'm trying to make. Alright, and another rule we're going to insert is border 4 pixels solid pound 000, and that's to set the border color to black. And we refresh, and we do border dash radius 50%. Yes, you can do percent, but I prefer doing pixels just because it's easier. That didn't work. Because I thought the semicolon. Let's refresh that again. Oh well. Anyway, you get the point. This is a basic tutorial on CSS. If you did find this video helpful in any way, let me know in the comment section down below. Or maybe you want to share it with a friend. That will also help me out a lot. And I'll be doing more tutorials like these in the future, hopefully with a bigger screen. And thanks for watching this video. Be sure to rate, comment and subscribe.